This video shows how to make a 7-pocket leather phone wallet. Just like most wallets, you will start with a piece of strong leather called a back, then add your embellishments like hardware and pockets. This wallet back is made from 4-ounce saddle leather with a reinforced spine, corners with raised and lined circles for decoration as well as strength, and a large decorative locking pull tab latch. The post is raised and a line catch is stapled underneath for a snug fit. Also, the latch is glued and stitched around a curve so it retains a rounded shape and recoils into position above the catch. The pull tab can be weaved into the lock to make the wallet close tighter, and the colors are matched so the parts rub against the parts in the same color, like the Echo Flow Charcoal Black or Range Tan that is used here. The interior of this wallet has a soft 2-ounce calfskin lining, 5 card pockets made from durable 2-ounce saddle leather, 1 cash or document pocket lined with 1.5-ounce pigskin, and a molded leather foam pocket. The foam pocket molds were laser cut from MDF, and the leather pockets were molded with 4-ounce saddle leather for the top and molded inside out for the lining, which adds tremendous strength to the shape of the pocket. When the two pieces are bone dry, the pieces can be trimmed and glued together. Then when the glue dries, the pockets can be trimmed to the exact shape and dyed with a small sponge or sprayed on with a hobby airbrush, and for extra strength a piece of wear leather can be stitched on top. I like to cut my patterns in 1/8 of an inch acrylic for cutout templates that can be lightly fastened over top of the leather, and the edges are used as a sturdy guide for a hobby knife to follow to make an accurate part. The stitching holes are marked and punched, and the edges can be beveled, skived, burnished, and painted with a protective coating in the order they are assembled. To protect the backs of the unlined card pockets, a light coating of acrylic will help. Skiving down the edges improves the look and feel of the wallet by removing the excess bulk and makes the wallet easier to stitch together. Also, it is easier to finish the edges and mark the stitching holes before the pieces are glued and stitched into place. Beige 0.6 millimeter bonded nylon thread is used here, and the hole spacing is 5 millimeters or 3/16 of an inch. Then the card pockets are glued and stitched into place one at a time and stitched onto the document pocket to create a panel. Then the lining is glued and trimmed, and the foam pocket and pocket panel are glued into the interior one side at a time. To finish the wallet, apply some leather conditioner to make the leather soft and supple, and use a bone folder to open the pockets a bit for the cards to fit. To care for a wallet made of vegetable tan saddle leather, you will not want to get it wet, and use a little leather conditioner as needed.